Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to buy Robux using Gcash. First, open the Roblox application on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all features. Then, look for the icon next to your username in the top right corner of the screen. Next, click on this icon to open a menu that displays various options. Now, from this menu, you'll find the option for Robux, which is the in-game currency you can purchase. Then, click on the Robux icon to proceed. Next, you'll see different amounts of Robux available for purchase. Choose the amount you wish to buy by clicking on it. After selecting the amount, you will be prompted to choose a payment method. Here, select Gcash as your payment option. If this is your first time using Gcash, make sure your account is set up and linked properly. Finally, click on the Buy button to complete your purchase. Follow any additional prompts to confirm the transaction, and your Robux will be added to your account shortly. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.